In the snug town of Maplewood, Buddy the Labrador retriever was known for his shy nature. While other dogs chased bulls and leapt into lakes, Buddy watched from the sidelines. His biggest fear was trying anything new. One crisp autumn day, Maplewood announced a pet talent show. Buddy's heart leapt. Deep down, he wanted to join in. He watched as his friends signed up, their tails wagging with excitement. Buddy's paws itched to be a part of it, but his fear held him back. That night, under the silver glow of the moon, Buddy confessed his dream to the wise old cat, Whiskers. Whiskers purred thoughtfully and said, "Buddy, the biggest adventures begin with a single step. Why not take yours?" The next morning, with the words of Whiskers ringing in his ears, Buddy approached the sign-up sheet. His paw trembled, but he imagined the applause and the joy of doing something new. With a deep breath, he scribbled his name. Days passed, and Buddy practiced. He stumbled and fumbled, but each day he got a little better, and his confidence grew a bit more. On the day of the show, Buddy's name was called. Heart pounding, he stepped into the spotlight. He took a deep breath, remembered his practice, and began. Each jump, each bark, each trick was not perfect, but it was his. When he finished, Maplewood erupted in cheers. Buddy had not only overcome his fear, but he had also found a new joy in trying new things. From that day on, Buddy became an example to all of Maplewood that the only thing you need to fear is fear itself. And for Buddy, life was never the same. It was much, much better.